This is ZWVO2762 battery charging and discharging tester. First, we need to complete the wiring work. Red is the positive wiring, and black is the negative wiring. Connect to the negative and positive terminals of the battery pack, respectively. This is the voltage test line, which tests the voltage of the battery pack and is also connected to the positive and negative poles, respectively. There are two power cords on the back of the device. The upper power cord powers the machine, and the lower power cord powers the battery pack. Both use AC 230V plus 15% power supply. First, we turn on the power of the device. This is the test parameter input interface of the device. The first row inputs the parameters of the battery under test. The second row is to input the discharge termination value, that is, to input the planned discharge stop target. The third row inputs the charging upper limit value, that is, to stop charging after reaching a certain target. The three parameters at the bottom are the real-time voltage during charging and discharging, the real-time current, and the cumulative capacity during charging and discharging. Then there are the battery monitoring information to check the individual information of the battery. The test record data test results can be viewed here, and the system settings, which need to be set according to the test requirements. Now we start the test operation. After confirming that the wiring is correct, turn on the air circuit breaker. First enter the total voltage. We are testing 10 2V batteries this time. So enter 20 V. Then a single battery is 2V. Enter 10 for the number of batteries. The total capacity of 10 batteries is 3000 Ah. Now we have completed the input of battery parameters. Next, enter the lower limit parameter of discharge. Here we need to enter the lower limit of the discharge voltage. The value entered here is 0.9 times the total battery voltage, which is 18V. Then the lower limit of each battery is 1.8V. The discharge time is generally set to 10 hours, or adjusted according to actual conditions. Here we choose a value at random. The discharge capacity can be set as needed. We set it to 300 Ah. The discharge current can also be set as needed. Generally, the value entered here is 1/10 of the total battery capacity. We can enter 30 A. Then we click OK here and select Yes. The device will start to work. We will hear the fan start to dissipate heat. We can notice that the discharge voltage is 20V, and the discharge current is 30 A. We can also terminate the discharge early. We can see the test results directly here. Click to print the test results. Next, let's try the charging function. After we select the charging mode, we can set the charging parameters. The charging voltage is generally the total voltage of the battery 20V multiplied by 1.175, and the total charging voltage is 23.55. The single cell voltage is 2.35V. The charging time is set according to the actual situation. The charging capacity is input as 300 Ah, the charging current is 30 A, and the charging termination current is 0.2 A. Then we click Start. We can see that the charging current is 30 A. The charging voltage is 21.9 Vi. And the charging capacity is slowly increasing. When one of the batteries' charging time, charging capacity, and termination current reaches our set value, the device will stop charging. Now we can end it early. This device is very simple to operate. Thanks for watching. See you next time.